Imagine this. The calendar shows that there's just 1 month left until the big exams. The desk is piled high with textbooks and notes. There's a sense of determination, but also a hint of overwhelm. It's time to make a plan. First up, prioritizing subjects and topics becomes crucial. Understanding the weightage of each subject in the exam helps to allocate time more efficiently. More weightage means more time, but remember, no subject gets left behind. Then, it's time to break down each subject into manageable chunks. It's impossible to swallow everything in one gulp. Dividing the study time into specific topics for each session makes the task less daunting. Setting specific goals for each study session comes next. Whether it's to finish a chapter or to solve a set of problems, having clear goals keeps the focus sharp. But studying isn't just about hitting the books, it's also about taking care of oneself. A healthy diet, adequate sleep, and regular breaks are just as important as studying. They help maintain focus and concentration. Finally, it's time for self-assessment. Regularly reviewing notes and testing knowledge with practice exams helps to gauge progress. With this plan, the final month before exams becomes less about stress and more about making the most of the time. It's about being confident in the ability to ace those exams. To recap, remember these steps. Prioritize subjects, break them down into manageable chunks, set specific goals, take care of oneself, and regularly assess progress. With these in mind, exam preparation becomes a well-structured mission rather than a chaotic scramble. The final month before exams is daunting, but with a solid plan and determination, it's a mountain that anyone can conquer.